Hey guys, I'm Dylan over here with Milwaukee Power Sports. Today I'm going to be showing you the brand new 450Ss by CF Moto. This is the first time that we've actually seen one of these guys here in the US, so I'm really excited to show you guys and walk you around the bike. So the 450 was really directed at newer riders but can still be enjoyed by all. You can see here that we have an assisted slipper clutch, which is going to be really easy to learn how to ride with. And then you also do have built-in frame sliders right from the factory, so you don't need to worry about dropping the bike and damaging the fairings as bad. You also right here have the really aggressive street profiling of the canards right up front and have a super kick-ass boot up animation when you turn the key on. So that is definitely going to be grabbing a lot of people's attention when you go to start up the bike. Now don't let the price point fool you. You're still getting a lot of great parts from a lot of different brands. You're getting Brembo brakes out front, which is going to be controlling primarily all of your braking power. And then you also actually still keep ABS with this guy. And right up front, you are also getting the multicolor TFT display, which is very beautiful, and it will connect to the CF Moto Ride app. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me here at Milwaukee Power Sports. I'd love to answer any questions that you might have. Feel free to give me a call at 414-441-2522. Have a great day and ride safe.